This is the first of unStack, and I'm truly excited about this.
unStack is all about bringing developers within the tech ecosystem.
unStack is a group of people coming together, passionate designers, like people who are in the tech world, people who want to know more about what's happening in their environment concerning tech and everything.
All our sessions we're going to have today at unStack, they're all going to be hands-on workshops from number one to the last.
I'm expecting a lot of things like meeting people in the tech ecosystem.
I expect all the best. I want to learn more. I want to see what people do, what people actually have, the ideas they have and everything.
What is the goal? What are we trying to do? What is the why for this particular event? And then he said, oh, we're trying to extend a particular workshop to people just so we can help them level up as software engineers.
React Lazy is a function that allows you to dynamically import components. It has regular components.
React Lazy, what it does is that when you want to import your file, so it's a function that imports the components dynamically.
Totally exceeded my expectation. The hall was totally packed up. All our speakers, starting from number one of them to the last, were amazing.
It's very insightful. We talked about certain things that have to do with front-end development and mostly React. And I got to know a lot about new components.
It just means that I still have a long way to go in my programming career, and that I should do more to develop myself. So I would love to be at the next Stack event.
I really learned a lot, which I can't really say everything here.
Also, thanks to all our sponsors, from Hashnode to Code Sandbox to Paystack, Gatsby, Adora Hack, and every single one of them. They all did a great job, and we're looking forward to next event of unStack, and most definitely it's going to be this year. And thanks again to all our sponsors and everyone who attended this event. Looking forward to seeing you at the next one.